Hey, amazing people, thank you so much. Welcome back to my channel today. um Nice to have you here once again. In today's video, I'm thrilling to take you on a complete journey of caring for sister Locs hair in general. So today, as you can see, I'm preparing to wash my beautiful girls or clients hair. Starting with washing the hair properly, I am here to show you the product I'm using. I've been using it for a while, so I make sure I clean it before she arrives. So that is what you see me doing. I want to make sure everything is clean before we start doing the hair. Alright, so to begin, I like to gather my essential product, gentle shampoos before I start anything, a rich conditioner, and my favorite oil for the treatment. So that is what you see me doing. So I make sure I wet the hair before you apply shampoo. Make sure you wet the hair. Sometimes I apply it to the root, moisturize it into the hair before washing, but this time around I use different methods. So this time around I made sure I wet the locks before applying the shampoo. So that is what you see me doing right now. So I did a quick one and cut some of the video off. So I'm going to start with the interlocking process because that is the method we are using, and we are going to twist the entire hair out step by step. After a few minutes, I make sure I arrange everything, get it ready. Once I allow the conditioner and everything to. All right, so let me tell you how I did. It doesn't matter as you are watching the interlocking. Let me tell you what I did. Once I've allowed the conditioner to sit for a few minutes, anytime I shampoo hair, I make sure you sit for a while before I continue, before I wash it. So that is what I did, guys. So now, as you can see, I'm twisting the hair to make sure the root is tight, or the root is divided so well that each and every hair is separated from each other. If not, it's really micro or smaller, so it will entangle. So that is why you have to always separate them, interlock them to position them in place. And there you have it. So let me go ahead and explain into detail, because today I want to really explain the method I use. And do not, whenever you have locks like this, do not forget about maintenance session. Our natural hair shrinks a lot, so keeping your locks tidy and is a key to a healthy look. So I go through the maintenance routine to ensure every lock is neat and freeze in place. So when you are washing or doing anything, make sure you are using this method to prevent the hair from bulking up or combining on your head. It doesn't look nice. Okay, it doesn't look nice. So the interlocking method, that is why I make the video clear for everyone to see the way I'm doing it. You can use a smaller pin. I just made you I just made you watch this after video or picture, so you can see how I did it. So it's just a flash picture that I made you have a look at. So let's continue watching the interlocking. Because the video is not super long, that is why I left it for you to keep playing. So I'll keep explaining the interlocking method. There are other pins or crochet pins that are smaller than the one I'm using. I'm so used to interlocking, so I can use any pin, but if you are a beginner, I advise you use a smaller pin because this hair is micro and it's super small. So using the bigger one, you might be a little bit frustrated. So that is why I advise, when you're a starter, you I love exploring different style method, and whether it's a cheek bound or loose waves or intricate braids or any style. So for me, whenever I finish doing my client hair, I'm always like, kind of yeah, the series we are watching is Love is Blind. So yeah, I think this is the UK version. So if you've watched it, let me know the episode you've gotten to. So as you can see, I'm still on the interlocking. It took us about 6 hours. This kind of style takes a lot of time to finish. So whenever you are starting, make sure you prepare your, I always say this in my video, whenever you are doing a style that takes a longer time to finish, make sure you prepare your mind, you prepare your stomach, you prepare everything preparable before you go sit down, because it's not easy. If you've not eaten, you'll be feeling a bit dizzy here and there. So please eat, and make sure you are cashing out. Make sure you are getting your stress money. Okay. And once okay, so let me check. I don't know. I'm doing explaining video, but along the way I was gisting her and all that, so she was also, even what we did over here, some of the video I have to cut them out. What we did here is just the beginning stage. What you are seeing us doing is just a beginning stage to keep the hair in place before we even go ahead and do the strand itself. So you'll be seeing how we twisted everything out to look so straight. Hey guy, if I tell you the story of how I did this hair, you'll cry for me. Okay, you will cry for me. So the interlocking that I talk about, the technique is essential for maintaining the shape, the integrity of the sister locks, using a special tool like the tool I'm using. There are so many tools, smaller one. I've seen a smaller, I'll show it later. I don't have it here. So you see, look at this was when we were done. This was the finished stage of this video. Oh, this video was sent. Okay. I forgot your name. I think Trisha or Tree. You sent this video later to me, right? Oh, okay. It was sent. Okay, no problem. But let's continue. First up, I demonstrated a simple updo. This is perfect for any occasion. I love exploring different styles, guys. So now let's go to the styling. Okay. One thing about me is, even if you tell me not to style your hair, I will beg, style it and keep it in place. Do not just leave it loose all the time. Do not just leave it loose. If you leave it loose, it will be everywhere and it will mess up on your head. Style it, keep it for 1 week or 2, so the hair will stretch out a bit, because why would you want to leave your hair like that? Please, sorry? Do something. Okay. I am that person that will beg, even if you say no, I will beg to style your hair. So hey, that is my favorite part of locking. So you know, so have you realized when you style locks, they actually look, it actually looks nice. But anyway, so when the client from somewhere, oh my customer be like, so do not style my hair. I'll be like, no, please style it to keep it in place. Style it. So over here, I was not done with the hair, but once in a while, I just flashed how it was looking from the after we are done, so you can know, you can have an idea of how it's going to look. So yeah. Do not forget to leave your message. Let us know what you think about our videos. And we appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Please, thank you as you do that. Bye-bye.